Welcome to the point, and this is type 4 in the permutation and combination class which I am continuing. Okay, so I think you have learned up to type 3. So this is a question of combination. Here position of the person will not matter. Okay, wherever there is a arrangement is important, there will be a permutation, and wherever only number important, there will be a combination. So without wasting time, I am going to start the class. Okay, just pay attention. In how many ways can a group of 5 men and 2 women, 5 men and 2 women be made out of a total 7 men and 3 women? एक ग्रुप बनाना है. एक ग्रुप, one group has to be made in which 5 men and 2 women, 2 women, 5 men and 2 women. A group has to be made out of 7 men and 3 women. Okay, correct na? Out of 7 men and 3 women. Just pay attention, this type will be clear to you. 7 out of 7 men, 5 men has to be selected. So 7C5. Okay, and means into 3C. Out of 3 women, 2 women has to be selected. So 3C2, 7C5. Because of and is given, so into sign will come. I have already told you NCR is equal to NCN minus R. This I have already told you. NCR is equal to NCN minus R. याद है? कुछ नहीं याद है, सब भूल गए. Okay. First class I have told you NCR is equal to NCN minus R. So I can write here 7C2 into 3C1. Clear? 7C2, 7152, 7C2 into 3C1, which will be equal to 7 into 6, 2 into 1 into 3. Okay, this procedure I have already told in one class. So cancel all this. 2 3 ja, 7 6 ja, 42. Okay, so is there any mistake? 7 9 ja, not 6 ja. 7 3 ja 21 into 3, and the answer will be 63. So there will be 63 ways of selecting 5 men and 2 women out of 7 men and 3 women. Okay, this is one type of question. In the same question, if language is changed, suppose here are 7 men and 3 women, total are 10. Next question, what language will change? And the question will change totally. So I am going to explain the next way how it will be changed. Okay, how it will be changed, I am going to explain it now. So suppose 5 plus 2 7. So how many ways a group can be formed in which 7, at least 5 men are there? At least 5 men are there. So 7 person has to be selected. 5 plus 2 7. Another question, 7 person has to be selected in out of 7 men and 3 women, and in which at least there will be a 5 men. Clear? The question will be like that. At least 5 men means what? 5 men हो सकता है, 6 men हो सकता है, 7 men हो सकता है. ठीक है, एट लीस्ट बोला तो मिनिमम 5 men will be there. मैन 5 होगा तो वीमेन होगी 2, मैन 6 होगा तो वीमेन होगी 1, एंड मैन 7 है तो नील वुमेन. ओके, सो 7C5 into 3C. Okay, this is the one way, plus 6C1 into 3 7C6 into 3C1. Okay, plus 7C7. Clear? If you add all this, you will get the answer. Okay, can you simplify it? 7C2 into 3C1 here this will be plus 7c1 into 3c1 plus 7c7. Okay, so now you can simplify it. 7 6 2 1 into 3 plus 7 into 3 plus 1. Okay, NCR NCN is equal to 1. Okay, NPN is equal to factorial. I have told you in the basic class, otherwise you can do it. Factorial 7 बटे factorial 7 factorial 0. Factorial n बटे factorial n minus r into factorial r. So 1 will come. Okay, if you don't remember the basics, I have covered in first class. I think you are remembering it. Okay, so 3 ja 63 plus 21 plus 1. So answer will be 63 plus 22 and answer will be 95. Correct? So if the question is changed like this, at least in which at least 5 men are there. Okay, so if the same question is changed like that, in which at least 5 men are there, so 7c5 into 3c2 plus 7c6 into 3c1 plus 7c7. Okay, 7c7 will be 1 and 7c1 into 3c1, that will be 7 into 3. Okay, 7 into 3 21, and this I have already solved you 63. So answer will be 85, not 95. Answer will be 85. Okay, so answer will be 85. So like that you can do solve this question. I will take another question like that, so it will be clear to you. From a group of 7 men and 6 women. From a group of 7 men and 6 women, 5 persons are to be selected. 5 persons are to be selected. Correct? From a group of 7 men and 6 women, 5 persons are to be selected, in which at least 3 men. Got the question? At least 3 men means 3 men plus 2 women, 4 men plus 1 woman, or 5 men. Okay? Or like that. So it will be like that, in which at least 3 men are there in the committee. Okay, 5 persons to be selected. So 7c3 into 6c2, this is the one possibility. Then 7c4 into 6c1 plus 7c5. Okay, all the 5 men are selected. Then 7c5, 7c4. Okay, you solve this and you will get the answer. Okay, this type of questions are asked in the exam, so that you can solve it easily. At least 3 men are there, 5% to be selected. 3 plus 2 5, 4 plus 1 5, 1 5. Okay, so after solving this you will get the answer. I am giving you this as a homework. You solve it and tell the answer in the comment section. Okay, what is the answer coming, you comment it and tell me what is the answer coming. Okay, so that I can get whether you are practicing or not. You solve it and tell me the answer. Okay, thanks a lot.